Friday, September 23rd. Hurricane Ian formed as a tropical storm over the Caribbean Sea. On Tuesday, Hurricane Ian made landfall in Cuba. At this time it was already considered to be a Category 4 storm. The entire island lost power. Wednesday, September 28th, Florida was in the direct path, and 2.6 million people were ordered to evacuate immediately. Upon landfall, Florida was devastated. The damage was ominous and apocalyptic. Ian struck Florida with 150 miles per hour winds that tied it for the fifth strongest hurricane ever to hit the United States. According to the American Red Cross, if you are in an area where authorities advise or order you to evacuate, evacuate immediately. Bring a pre-packed evacuation kit, prescription medicines in a waterproof, child-proof container, along with your critical records. As of Friday, September 30th, 21 people confirmed dead as direct result of the storm, according to The Guardian. Tropical storm winds are deadly, and the rainfall from this hurricane has caused flooding in many places. Our thoughts and prayers go out to everyone affected. Hurricanes and tropical storms are terrible because the wind and rain along with power outages accompany these types of storms. Here are some important things to remember about hurricanes and tropical storms. 1. Stay indoors and away from windows during the storm. 2. If you are in a hurricane-prone area, be sure to have a hurricane plan in place. 3. Have emergency kit ready in case you lose power or water. 4. Be sure to stay informed about the latest weather conditions and advisories. It is always a wise thing to have ice, along with a full battery for the devices and power banks. Check your local county or city government websites for official updates and recommendations when undergoing a storm of this magnitude. As far as the validity of social media posts, you can fact-check them on verifythis.com. Over $10 million have been donated to the rescue efforts, and emergency assistance is readily available on the FEMA.gov website. Stay safe, stay prepared.